Hello, Central Catholic. When we published the health and safety plan to guide us in our reopening, we knew that there would be questions, so we made a series of videos to help answer those questions. This video is about cleaning, sanitizing, disinfecting, and ventilation at Central Catholic. So, we use a professional cleaning service, System 4, and they have done the research and they use only the EPA-approved cleaning and disinfecting solutions. And in addition to nightly cleaning, we have 2 day porters to clean and disinfect high-touch surfaces, bathrooms, as well as the dining halls. At least once a week, we will deep clean using electrostatic sprayers. In addition to that, each water fountain has been converted to a water bottle filling station, and all students will be allowed to have water bottles with them. In the classrooms, the dining halls, as well as common areas, there'll be hand sanitizer available, as well as disinfecting wipes. That big black tube right there, that holds up to 800 disinfecting wipes. And we have plenty of hand sanitizer, both in the foam as well as the gel in stock. The ventilation. Working with our HVAC consultant, we have air-conditioned areas that have air exchange to the outside, and according to CDC standards, have been set to the highest air exchange rate. We also have air-conditioned areas without air exchange, and he has given us specifications for opening windows to exchange air. Then the spaces with no air conditioning will have windows open and fans operating to increase the air exchange. So with these quick opening video about the cleaning, sanitizing, disinfecting, and ventilation, if you have any questions, please email me, abaginski@centralcatholichs.com. And thank you for watching.